I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by adding the Slides widget and uploading your images. Choose the image size and aspect ratio so text won't get cropped. Once done, set a dark or light overlay and adjust opacity to guarantee contrast for readable copy. Make sure to name each slide and pick alignment. Centering often works best. These initial choices control legibility, responsiveness, and where the text block will anchor on desktop and mobile. Now you add text in the slide content fields, heading, description, and button label. You're building semantic layers that search engines read. Then style typography, font, weight, color, and responsive sizing, so the headline scales correctly from desktop to mobile. Once styled, fine-tune spacing with padding and margin, and set z-index if overlays hide the copy. By controlling these settings, you ensure the text stays visible, accessible, and aligned with your layout intentions. Finish by adding animations and timing so text appears in sync with the slide transition. You want readable entrance speed and enough duration. Then preview across breakpoints and tweak responsive font sizes or reposition text blocks for small screens. If text disappears, inspect overlay opacity, z-index, and any custom CSS that might hide elements. Clear cache and disable conflicting plugins if needed. Once resolved, save and publish. Your image slider will display clear, accessible text across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.